Yo, what's up? It's your boy Tony. It's Speedy and the King Away. Follow and like the channel. Today we're having an interview with Zaketelo, guys. Nolwazi. So, okay, qala kuwe Zaketelo ne. So let's say we're in the club ne. Mase club ini sutagiwe, and who would you take home between Speedy and the King Away?
I'll take 99.
Oh shit. Speedy took an L. You take a W, Njai Army. Yo, you took an L, you took a W. Okay, who would you take home?
Speed.
Oh, at least the time it's only so it's 1-1, guys. So for the next interview, Jonas will decide to go to who wins the battle. Siyabonga, guys.
No,
what's up?
If I win, I get to dare 9 whatever I want to dare him to do.
Oh my God. Okay, so it's a
If
dare.
he wins,
You get to dare him back.
yeah,
Dare him back.
he gets
Yeah.
to dare me back. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's what we doing.
Man, cool. Man, cool. Hey.
Siswam Sawona, how are you? What's your name, please?
No one.
Oh, we got no wonder, ne? So, the question of the day, no wonder, ne? Let's say you're in a club, you drunk as fuck, and you wanna go home, ne? Who would you take home between the two? Oh my God! Oh, we got the final decision, guys. Oh, so you get to dare him live on cam, so yeah.
Yo, stay tuned for the day.
Okay. Thank you very much, guys. It's the Speedy and the King Away.